Shalom, welcome back. We're going to be making some Chipotle chicken salad. So we're going to start out with some boneless chicken thighs, and then to that we're going to cut it down into bite sizes. We're going to add a packet of Sazon Seasoning, in addition some other Sazon Seasoning, and black pepper, some garlic powder as well too, and some onion powder. And just to give it a little bit of spice, we're also going to add in some hot Mexican style chili powder. Now, all of these seasonings are definitely optional, and I will put them down in the description. But by the way, if you haven't liked already or subscribed, I would advise you to do so because I will be cooking up some delicious recipes. Let's get back into this video. So right here, I have a griddle pan. If you don't have a griddle pan, that is absolutely okay. You're just going to go ahead and pour in a little bit of light olive oil. Until that, you're gonna add your chicken. You're gonna allow this to cook up until it's fully cooked. Sometimes this takes anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes, give or take. Your stovetop oven, okay? In addition to that, you guys might not smell this, but I wish you guys had some smell-o-vision because it definitely smells good in this kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and let this cook. And while I'm letting this cook, let's go ahead and prepare the other veggies that's going to go into this Chipotle chicken salad, which I'll be showing you momentarily. Okay, so now for the vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and use half of every pepper I show you, which is the green pepper. We're gonna be using the orange pepper, the yellow pepper, and the red pepper. Don't worry, we're gonna cut this down into bite sizes. However, you can also cut this into elongated, okay? However you want to do it, it's your Chipotle chicken salad, okay? You can do that. But the reasons why I'm cutting it down into bite sizes is because it gives me more. And it's definitely going to be easier for me to cook these peppers as well too. You'll see, just keep watching. And as you can see, here's all my peppers cut up. So let's go ahead and take them over to the pot. And there's no need to dirty up any extra dishes. Okay, let's just move that chicken to the side and let's just add in those veggies. But one thing is certain, you do not want to overcook your peppers, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to cook them until it's a little translucent. And I'm going to show you that in the video because you still want a little bit of crunch to it. Trust me when I say that, it gives the Chipotle chicken salad such a fresh, delectable taste. And when I say to you, my kitchen smells amazing right now. And like I said, I'm going to show you once the peppers are a little translucent, but they're not completely fully cooked. As you can see here, they're a little translucent. It has a little bit of cook time on it, but not as much. You still do want that freshness and that crunch to it. And once you have achieved that, go ahead and cut off the stove and just let this sit over to the side. I'm going to now show you exactly what you're going to be adding in your Chipotle chicken salad. Some black beans, some cilantro, some fire roasted corn. You can get this in the can. Some tomatoes. I cut up some Romaine tomatoes and some red peppers. And let's not forget the dressing. So I'm going to be using those Chipotle chilies and some Hidden Valley Ranch. This salad dressing is going to be so simple. It's going to take you like 2 minutes to do this. So I'm actually going to be pouring in just a cup of ranch dressing. Now, I'm the only one that kind of likes that Chipotle dressing, so that's why I'm making a little bit. And then I'm going to add about 2 to 3 chipotles in there. This you can actually pick up at Walmart. So trust me when I say this, it's not inexpensive, but this tastes so delicious. And I even added a little bit of the sauce that came within it as well too. Take it to the blender and this is what you get. Chipotle ranch. Now let's go ahead and assemble this. You're gonna start seeing the magic happen, the beauty happen, and trust me when I say this, once you eat this salad, you're not gonna stop eating it. I was eating it for like 3 days. Plus, I'm in my era of getting myself in shape, so this is definitely a low-calorie dish and a great meal to just have as like something quick. So as you can see, I'm putting everything on there, but there is also one more thing I'm going to add to this equation. You must don't use croutons, you guys, okay? I know my crouton lovers. What you're going to do is you're going to get this specific kind right here. Texas Toast Chipotle Cheddar. This is fire. It's definitely one of the truths, okay? It's so good. So make sure you pick you up some. Go ahead and put that on there. And that's it. That's all to it. If you like a little spice and a little kick, I added a little jalapeno to it as well too, and avocado. And then drizzle on that Chipotle ranch. And enjoy. And if you're making this for a Sabbath, you don't have to assemble it like this. You can actually just put it in one container and shake it up. And voila, you have yourself a Chipotle chicken salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, like, share, and also subscribe. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Shalom.